5. What's up, everybody? Out here at Cars and Coffee at First Texas Honda. Thought I'd do a quick walk around before I head out, show you guys some of the cars. So yeah, let's get into it. Skyline, nice little GTR. Love my R32s. Used to have a white one. Want to get another one. It's on my list. What's up?
Can you text me when you guys are leaving and we want to come to the shop?
Yeah, I'm gonna.
You like call my number so we can all follow you.
I'll message you. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Yeah, the Slamwich guys.
Dude, I have a single sandwich.
You gotta.
Where she's the second owner ever.
You got a one-owner car. It looks so good. Wow. Yeah, this is really nice.
It's fully optioned. We have the privacy cover, the luggage rack, the alloy wheels, even the spares and alloy wheels.
This is so good. Dude, this is so nice. Don't you ever sell this? This is awesome. Don't get the 1G. Like you gotta.
You're gonna get it ground in the 1UC, 1, 2.
Put it in the container. The Prelude gang comes out every single month. There are so many Preludes. Hey, all the Preludes. The whole Prelude gang. How y'all doing? There's so many Preludes. Del Sols, sorry, Del Sols. Oh yeah. Del Sols, not Preludes. I'm off my rocker. Hey guys, thanks for stopping by the channel. If you can like and subscribe, that'd be a huge help. I just wanted to drop this reminder in the middle of the video. And also check out our website, studentdriverclub.com. We've got all kinds of cool die casts. We've got Pokemon cards. We've got tons of cool stuff that you can buy. That helps support our shop, and it just helps us continue to grow. So, hit us up, let us know. All right, thanks.